This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Weber. This stunning home in the desirable Diana Shores neighborhood of Merritt Island won't last long. Boasting an open concept floor plan, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has been carefully updated and is move-in ready. With over 2,100 square feet of living space, great curb appeal and a 2-car garage, this home really is a must-see. Enjoy relaxing days on the spacious veranda year-round with your heated pool and plenty of room for entertaining. A boater's paradise with deep water canal, boat lift and multi-level dock for fishing, kayaking, paddle boarding and more. This beautiful home really is one of a kind. Make it yours today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Weber at 321-288